Ndegea. I am the chairman of an insurance agents association that represents both brokers and agents in Kenya. The organization is called Bima Intermediaries Association of Kenya. Basically, Bima Intermediaries looks at the welfare of our members who are insurance agents and brokers. Bima Intermediaries also takes care of our clients. Now, the main thing of us meeting today was due to the pronouncement that the regulator made the other day. That was on Tuesday. The regulator said that several companies have been put under statutory management. That is Trident Insurance Company, KUSCCO Mutual Assurance Company, and Corporate Insurance Company. Now, we are here because we feel that IRA having done that, well, by their own, by the purpose of their own work, which is to regulate the industry, they also did a very, very unprofessional and we feel also an unethical thing by saying that all the people, all our clients, especially those ones who had motor insurance, and by motor, here we are talking specifically about Trident Insurance Company, because it is the only company here that had motor insurance for their client that was closed down. And we are talking about hundreds of thousands of clients. Those clients have been told to look for insurance elsewhere. And remember, by IRA doing that, and by IRA telling our clients to go look for insurance elsewhere, is not according to their motto of taking care of the industry players, like which is one of their mandates in the insurance industry. By telling those clients to go look for insurance elsewhere, they are putting them under number one insurance list, because definitely when a company is closed and you're on the road and you don't know about it, if you get an accident at that particular time, you should know that you're not covered. And policemen are also very, very happy, or rather very, very fast to scan any cover that is, for example, not that has been issued by Trident Insurance Company, and you are very, very quickly charged, meaning that he's put most of our clients, or rather all the clients that we had at Trident Insurance Company, have been put at risk and have been put under a very, very difficult position, because you have been told to look for insurance, and of course, most likely you didn't even you hadn't put aside the money to look for extra insurance for your motor vehicle. Number two, we didn't have a warning regarding what the regulator did by abruptly shutting down those three insurance companies, and especially Trident Insurance Company. It didn't leave us any way of preparing our clients to look for insurance elsewhere. It was very, very abrupt. That's why I say it was unethical and very, very unprofessional for the regulator to do that, because we feel the regulator should have first warned us, given us a timeline, maybe a 3-month timeline, to make sure that everyone who's insured by especially Trident Insurance Company should look for insurance elsewhere, or by those other two, Corporate and KUSCCO Mutual. Look for insurance elsewhere, because we are about to close down this company. But waking up in the morning and doing that has gotten so many people under shock. And the only thing that would ask right now is the regulator needs to make sure that Trident comes back on business and at least complete whatever insurances that were on cover, whatever cars were on cover, at least for the next 1 year, the company should come back. It should be reopened so that people continue enjoying their cover. And then we also hope that the regulator is going to make sure that those when the company is reopened, that those covers will go up to their completion. If there's anything that the regulator is going to put, like on condition that they don't take extra covers, that's neither here nor there. We're going to get to that. But in the meantime, we need and we demand that the regulator opens Trident Insurance Company so that our clients should not get inconvenienced. Our members, the insurance agents and brokers of this country, should not be inconvenienced by the actions of IRA. That's my statement. Yes, questions?
What do you think IRA should have done? Because the argument is
Yes.
they are doing so to try and caution their clients. Now you're coming and saying that they've been inconvenienced. What steps should they have taken to ensure that those who have insured with them are not inconvenienced in money?
That's exactly what I've said. I've said this, that the regulator should have given us time to pange our clients. The regulator should have given us time to make sure that our clients don't get inconvenienced by their actions. Because we cannot have a regulator who's supposed to take care of the industry but is busy inconveniencing people or inconveniencing the same members you're supposed to protect, that the same members you're putting at risk, and especially the insurance risk. And we know what is happening in this country as far as insurance is concerned. So many companies are not actually paying claims, not even the threat of shutdown. We know several other 10 companies that should have been shut down. That's also an issue that the regulator is supposed to explain to us why he closed down these particular 3 and not the rest of the insurance companies.
Perhaps the last question for me. There is the issue of policy holder compensation. That is supposed to caution those people who are supposed to get into that topic.
Yes.
What is your take on that?
Policyholders Compensation Fund works by covering or rather compensating those clients of the companies that have fallen. That's what was Policyholders Compensation Fund. And especially those people who have claims to those companies. That's the workers of Policyholders Compensation Fund. But remember, a running insurance company, if a company is running, for example, it is easier for the clients to be compensated by their running insurance company than Policyholders Compensation Fund. Why? Because Policyholders Compensation Fund only covers up to $500,000. So if you have a claim of $1 million or $500,000 and over, or rather over $500,000, you're not going to get properly compensated they're supposed to. Many Policyholders Compensation Fund is not actually an answer to whatever is happening in the insurance industry right now.